Greetings, 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 my lovelies, and I am back with another video. And today, my lovelies, kind of, I'm kind of excited because I don't venture out in this type of video. I just don't. I'm a very private person. I'm a very introverted person, I guess you would say. But anyway, Mary Barratt is a crafter, and she asked me to be tagged in this video challenge, the crafters tagger. I think that's the name of it. But anyway, she asked me, and I love Mary. She is a doll. I love her journal that she make and all of the crafts that she shares, that she purchases, and I learn a lot from her. And she lives in London, and my daughter lives in London, so I just feel a great connection with Mary. So I had to do this video because she asked me to do it, and I am excited about doing it. I really am. So I'm gonna get right into it. I'm not gonna prolong it. The first question is my name. My name is Sharon Young Bishop, and yeah, I live in Atlanta, Georgia. My family name is McDew, and yeah. The second question is, how did you come up with your YouTube name? Okay, well, my YouTube name used to be Elegant Tools, and I first came up with the name Elegant Tools because I used to um, be really into making crystal wands, and yeah, so that is how I started out with my channel as Elegant Tools, because I used to make these crystal wands, which I still do from time to time, but I have so many of them now, I just haven't felt amused to make them lately. But from that name, when I started creating books, someone in my comment section said that my name should be Elegant Creations, and that just kind of stuck with me. And for a couple of months I thought about it, and so I decided to change my name to Elegant Creations. And so the name Elegant Creations came from one of my commenters, and I can't even recall what video that comment was made on, but big thank you to whoever it was that said that my channel seemed like it should be called Elegant Creation. So I changed the name to Elegant Creation. Yeah, so yeah. The third question is your favorite craft. Right now, at the present time, my favorite craft is making journals. And I'm a painter by nature. I painted all my life. I started out as a painter. My mother and my father encouraged us to be creative. My mother would paint walls with like chalk. She would spray paint the wall with chalk, and she would allow us to write on the walls. We were encouraged to use our creativity, and yeah, so that is um, okay. How did I get out there? I don't even know how I got out there. Okay, the question was your favorite craft. So my favorite craft at this moment is making journals. That is my absolute favorite craft at this moment, is making books, making journals. Your favorite place to buy crafts. My favorite place to buy crafts is Joann's and Hobby Lobby. I love Joann's, I love Hobby Lobbies, and I love little antique shops. I go to a lot of little antique shops where I pick up little trinkets and whatnot. And yeah, those are my favorite places to buy crafts. Number 5 is my top 5 crafter channels. Okay, so here we go, because I get so excited. But my very first top crafter channel has to be Climmie's Creations, because this woman is phenomenal. I mean, I started peeking in at her stuff, I guess it's been over 2 years since I first ever saw something that Clemens Creation created. or maybe not that long, maybe about a year and a half ago, I stumbled across her channel. I don't have a lot of time to indulge in other people's channel because I'm such a creator all the time. I'm creating something, so I'm usually pretty wrapped up in my own stuff. But I came across her channel a while back, and I really fell in love with it. And then she found me and started liking my stuff, and oh my god, I was just floored. And I'm always floored when I see her creations because she is such a talented and meticulous creator, and her stuff is just so elegant and so mesmerizing, and I just really love her. She is a warm heart, and she's just as beautiful on the outside as she is on the inside, and her creations just speak volumes to me, and she really inspires me, and I really love Climmie's creation. So she will have to be my top #1 crafter. I tend to flow towards crafters who have very small channels. I like all of the crafters that have large channels. I watch them all. I've seen some of their work, all of their work. But like I said, I don't spend a lot of time watching other crafters because I spend so much time doing my own craft and craft fairs and whatnot. But the crafters that I really, really enjoy are small crafters. I really love Mary Barratt. I love her channel. I love her energy is just so sweet and so loving and so warm, and I just love everything she likes to share. I love the things that she likes to display, so I watch her a lot. I don't get to comment, like I said, I don't get to comment and really interact on people's channels as much as I would like to, but I do try to watch everyone. Another crafter that I like is Happy Scrapper 45. She's a small channel also, but she's very creative. I love her designs. I love her style, and she does a lot of show and tell tutorials, and I really like what she does on her channel. Another crafter that I like is Rose King, and Rose King comes in and supports my channel and talks to me on my channel, and she has chatted with me on my channel, and I really appreciate her support, and I really love her channel. Another channel that I like is Seriously Scrapping. Her name is Irene, and she has a beautiful channel. She has some beautiful creations, and she shares a lot of information, and just does an awesome job of crafting on her channel. So those are my 5 top channels that I like to go to and check out every now and then when I'm in a position and have some time to check out crafters. Okay, the next question, number 6, is my favorite color. My favorite color is red. I love red. Red is a luscious color. Red is a vibrant color. Red is the color of the heart and the color of the blood flowing. To me, red is the color of life, and I just love it because it's alive, it's vibrant, and it just speaks volumes to me. My hair is red. My car is red. I have a red sofa. I mean, my house is red, but I'm trying to get away from all the red that's in my life because I have so much of it going on. So I'm trying to get away from some of it and tone it down just a little bit because I am a very explicit person. So yeah. Okay. Number 7, my favorite crafting tool. Okay, my favorite crafting tool. Let me move some of these books. These are books that I'm working on right now, and I'm trying to get them out, and I'm going to bring them to you and show them to you in a minute. But my favorite crafting tool are my Martha Stewart punches. I have so many of my Martha Stewart punches, but these 3 are my absolute favorite. The heart punch, the daisy flower punch, and the dolly punch. Oh my god, I love, love, love my Martha Stewart punches. Those are my favorite crafting tools. So yeah. Where did your love of crafting come from? My love of crafting came from my parents. Like I said, my parents encouraged us to be creative. My mother was a seamstress. She sewed all of her clothes. Everything she wore, she made. She made hats. She made everything that she wore, as far as dress is concerned, and she always encouraged us to be creative. We always had lots of crayons and paint and just things to do, crafting things with, and it was always a fun family event. So yeah, that's where my love of crafting came from, my parents. When did you first start crafting? I first started crafting, like I said, I am an artist. I'm a painter, and I started painting when I was a child. I really embellished on it when I became an adult, and I have painted storefronts and restaurants and office buildings and such like, and now I do family portraits and that kind of thing. So that is where my crafting came from. My favorite craft at the moment, like I said, my favorite craft at the moment is making books and envelopes. Envelopes are my thing. I love making envelopes. Hold on, let me see. I love trying to find different ways to make envelopes and create new ways to make envelopes. So this envelope, I made it and made sure I made it out of an envelope and made sure I put the part of the envelope in here so that the envelope could show that it's an envelope. So I'm all about envelopes. That's my favorite crafting idea at the moment. So yeah, and anyway, I hope this helped you get to know me just a little bit more. I love laughing. I love having fun, and creating is fun to me, and so that is why I do it. And I appreciate you, Mary, so much for asking me to do this. I thank you so much. I enjoyed it, and yeah, much love.